What's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, I'm talking about the BTT token price. You know what, my friends? The people ask me questions about Bittorrent token, that when will the price going to increase, and is the price of Bittorrent token increase in the June or not, my friends? So keep watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'm discuss the latest and important updates of Bittorrent token. My friends, first of all, the latest update of the BTT token is that 0.003389 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the BitTorrent token. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the BTT token, so the price change is also going wrong. That is why the people ask me question that when will the price increase? My friends, the price of BitTorrent token is very badly falls down in the previous time, but now at this time in the last hour the situation is going good. I hope that they will continue this from for a long time. Now in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the BTT token start pumping, but the previous changes is negative. The last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is still negative. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the BitTorrent token for better understanding and for easy understanding, my friends. My friends, yeah, that is the last 1 month, last 30 days price chart of the BitTorrent token, and from this chart you can easily understand that the price of BitTorrent token is completely fast down from the previous last 1 month. You can see here the price is falls down. Everyone can understand it, my friends. That's easy chart. And you know what, my friends, the price of BTT token is fast down from 0.00625 USD dollar to 0.003383 USD dollar. So that's a big loss of BitTorrent token holders. That is why, my friends, you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone in my every video that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about BitTorrent token? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.